pig.
Wild hog hunting has become an increasingly difficult challenge in Texas, where hunters are facing off against one of the most dangerous invasive species in the United States. But what's driving the feral hog crisis? With over 267,000 square miles of wilderness, dense forests and swamplands, Texas provides the perfect hideout for these animals. Mild winters and long summers allow them to stay active all year round, while fields of corn, wheat, and soybeans offer a plentiful food supply without much effort. On top of that, the lush vegetation and lack of natural predators have created ideal conditions for wild hog populations to explode, leading to devastating consequences. Every year, the damage they cause to Texas farmers exceeds $500 million, a number that continues to rise. A major breakthrough in hog hunting has been the use of thermal scopes. No longer limited to daylight, hunters can now track herds at night, detecting heat signatures through thick brush where hogs often hide after raiding fields. It's not just about hunting harder, it's about hunting smarter. In rough terrain with dense foliage and mud, thermal imaging gives hunters a tactical edge. As hogs become more alert, cunning, and nocturnal, technology becomes essential. After weeks of scouting 200 acres, mapping trails and feeding zones, the team moves in. Each hunter carries a Winchester .308 with a thermal scope and 150 rounds of lead core ammo. When the lead hog's heat signature appears, they strike fast and with precision. The takedown saves a local farmer up to $10,000 in potential crop damage. In this fight against a destructive invasive species, technology, tactics, and teamwork have become an unstoppable force deep in the heart of Texas.
Truck. Ooh.
In many hunts, mistakes don't come from poor marksmanship, they come from ignoring nature. Hunters must tread lightly, watching for loose branches or dry leaves, and always move against the wind to mask their scent. Rushing due to excitement can spook the hogs, potentially costing farmers tens of thousands of dollars. The solution is to pause, scan the ground, and synchronize each step with the team to remain undetected. One wrong move, and the hunt ends before it even begins. Now, hunters are turning to strategy over brute force. No longer chasing down every hog in the field, they're setting professional-grade traps. After days of meticulous tracking, they follow hoof prints and feeding signs to pinpoint exact locations. A Jaeger Pro Mini trap is then deployed, 20 feet wide, 5 feet high, made of reinforced steel panels strong enough to hold even the biggest hogs. Inside, 50 pounds of corn are spread as bait, attracting the hogs naturally. Most impressively, a motion sensor system connects directly to the hunter's smartphone, instantly alerting them when hogs enter the trap zone. With a single tap on the phone, the gate slams shut, leaving no room for escape. Although the setup costs around $2,500, just one successful capture can prevent tens of thousands of dollars in crop destruction. This battle is no longer about brute strength or traditional skill, it's about smart technology and tactical thinking. So what would you choose? Hunting hogs with rifles and bait, or trapping them with cutting-edge tools? Across Texas, hog hunting has sparked heated debate. Animal rights groups argue that killing 2.6 million hogs per year is inhumane and call for more ethical alternatives to bullets and traps. They warn that uncontrolled hunting may disrupt ecosystems, harm native wildlife, and raise serious ethical concerns. However, I believe that legal, controlled hunting is essential to restore ecological balance. Farmers are fighting a relentless war to reclaim land ravaged by hogs. But this is also a warning to all hunters: never let your guard down. Vigilance and proactive methods are crucial to keeping these destructive animals at bay. If you agree, leave a comment and share this message. You might inspire someone to join the fight. Don't forget to follow for more stories in the next episodes.